Hey there! In this video, we're going to tackle a problem related to implementing an exponential moving average (EMA) function using PolarS instead of Pandas. The issue at hand was that the EMA function was returning a series of nan values even though the input data was identical. Quite the conundrum, right? Let's dive into the solution now. By making a crucial adjustment to the code and replacing the NP and AN with none values, the PolarS EMA function started working seamlessly. The key was to create a series of none values, append the mean value, and then merge it with the rest of the data to calculate the EMA without any nan discrepancies. To wrap up, we successfully resolved the problem by tweaking the code and ensuring that the input data was handled correctly throughout the process. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. We always appreciate your feedback. See you in the next video, where we'll tackle another coding challenge with a smile.